Welcome to the unboxing of the NieR Replicant version 1.22474487139 White Snow Limited Collector's Edition. This will be a spoiler-free unboxing so newcomers to the series can enjoy as well. This came straight from the Square Enix Store in the States, and it came packaged like this. The game is separate and it's not actually in the White Snow box. So this is the game, which as far as I know is exactly the same as the retail version you would get without the Collector's Edition. So we're just going to open this quickly. Okay. So again, here is the cover with the insane version number that Yoko Taro said is just there for literally no reason. Okay, so here is the game disc. And we have an alternate artwork in the background, which is the same as what we have on the White Snow edition. And then here we have some papers. We have a code to register for Square Enix members, some advertisement booklets with some toys and other games, and our health and safety stuff that everybody always reads. Okay, so here is the reverse artwork. I'm just gonna pop it in the case quick so you can see what it looks like. And there we go. So if you'd like, you can have your game looking like this instead, which again is the same artwork there, and this nice picture of NieR and Weiss on the back. So we have this beautiful box here. I'm just gonna show you. So the side just has the title without the version number. And the back, we have some of the lettering here from the game. And then the same thing on the side as well. So this is the piece we're most interested in. Okay, so we'll slide this off. And here we can see there's a very beautiful artwork of the lunar tear flowers. And the artwork leaks a little bit to the side here. We have the same sort of lettering here. Nothing really on the back. Same thing on the side. And then I will just show you, as I'm gonna open it now, that again, the artwork kind of goes along the sides here. So without the sleeve, we just have the flowers. I ordered this such a long time ago, I kind of forget what's in it, so this is kind of exciting for me now too. Okay, so everything is kind of filed in here in its own little slots. Okay, so here are all our goodies. So we're gonna start here with what looks like to be the steel case. There we go. Okay, so we have a similar artwork that was on the reverse side, but it is super nice and shiny, and I don't know if you can see with the glare that NieR is kind of on the forefront there, which is really cool looking. And then we have the background here. And again, the name with the version number this time. And then there's the artwork on the inside there. And so if you'd like, you can pop the disc in here instead. If you don't want to keep it in the original sleeve, you can have it in the steel case instead. Whee! Woo! Grimoire Weiss. So while you're playing the game, you can kind of set up with you and he can be your companion. And super shiny on the back. And what is inside? What is inside? The soundtrack! See, I told you, it's a surprise for me too. I forget what comes in this. Okay. So here we have the Weiss edition, NieR Replicant version 1.22474487139 soundtrack. And we have the track listing. So yes, I remember now. These are alternate arrangements of the song. So these are not the ones that you would get on the original soundtrack, if I remember correctly, but these are alternate, again, arrangements of some of the most famous songs, which, as we all know, is one of the things NieR is the most famous for. And then we have this here. I don't think there's anything under it. Let me just check. Yeah, it's just white underneath there like that. And then this pops out to reveal disc 2. Super fancy. And it's kind of the reverse. We got gray on the white instead of white on the gray. And then I believe that is everything that's in here. This is really just a super thick piece of cardboard. Ta-da! Wow! What could be on here? Let's find out. It is not a toy, according to the warnings. Not a toy. Do not choke on it. We have a beautiful little box that I'm holding upside down. Oh, the grimoires! It's the grimoire pin set of Noir, Weiss, and Rubrum. Whoa, this is heavy. So these are pins? There's quite a bit of heft to these, actually, heavier than I was expecting. I wonder what these could be. You'll have to play the game and find out. And the last one here. It's a nice set of grimoire pins. Okay, last item! The English voiceover scripts for the entire game. So we have the A branch, B branch, and the side quests, and then this mysterious black one that just says, so let's just take a look at this box first. So we have script collection, this nice fancy looking artwork, nothing. More fancy looking artwork, nothing. And then the scripts, which I already showed you. So let's pop this open. Pop these guys out here. Okay, so here we have again NieR Replicant, the English voiceover script. So this is part 1 of branch A. And we can see some example of the way it is set up here with them all talking to each other. We don't want spoilers though, right? So we're not going to flip through that all. And there's nothing really on the back. And we already saw the side. And then we have Yona on the second half of branch A. And then we have, what's this? An older, more dashing NieR on branch B. Again, oh, so many spoilers, oh my goodness. And then we have, oh, a different looking Yona. What is this about? What could this possibly be? Same thing. And now we're switching to the subquests, and we have Emil on the cover of the first subquest book. Same as the others, same sort of format with the script. And then, what is this? Oh my goodness! I think everybody knows who this is, but I won't say anything just in case. And then the secret book has our lovely Lady Kaine on the front instead. Okay, so these are the secret lines. So flipping through it, it looks like it's funny stuff, like the drowning lines if you get too close to the water. And we have things, text used for processing effects. So it's kind of just a bunch of random stuff. So I thought it was going to be something a little bit more exciting when I saw Secret, but it looks like it's a bunch of NPC dialogue and other various miscellaneous things that didn't make it into the main story. And this one again, there's nothing really on the back, but this one is black instead of white. That is everything that comes in the White Snow edition. So I'll just show you the empty box here with everything taken out. Just got a little placeholder. This box is probably bigger than it needed to be, but hey, it's gonna look really nice on the shelf. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the NieR Replicant version 1.22474487139 White Snow Collector's Edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and feel free to leave any comments if you want to talk about the game, and if you liked this style of video, check out the others we have on the channel. Thanks for watching!